Hey guys, my name is Julia. I'm one of your teen services librarians over at the main library on Goodwood. You know what's cool? Chemistry. And today we're going to use that to make some color changing oobleck. Supplies that accompany this video are available at the main library in a limited capacity. Okay, to make color changing oobleck, you're going to need a quarter cup of cornstarch, a quarter cup of water, a craft stick, some thermochromic pigment powder, and a bowl. To get started, we're going to go ahead and take our cornstarch and carefully pour it into the bowl. Don't dump it out all at once, or this will just puff everywhere. Next, grab your pigment powder and put it in with the cornstarch. Take that craft stick and stir them together. Okay, when you've got it pretty evenly mixed, you want to go ahead and start slowly pouring in your water. You need a quarter cup of this. If you don't have a measuring cup at home, you need 4 of the big spoons with it. You know, the spoons that you're not supposed to eat ice cream with, but you totally do. Okay, let's test this out. Okay, so when you're playing with the oobleck, it's going to take it a second to heat up, but when it does, you're going to start to see a slight pink color. Okay, so now it's time for the science. Chromism is where a chemical compound can actually change color, and there's lots of ways this can happen, but the most common way is thermochromism, and that's where heat causes the change. You've probably seen this in mood rings. There's still actually a couple of different ways that thermochromism could work, so we're just going to focus on what our pigment powders use, which is Leukodyes. And Leukodyes work because they display one color at a certain temp. For most commercial products, this is going to be room temperature. When heat is applied or removed, they will shift the bonds of the molecules actually, and that will display a different color. And then when it goes back to the original tips, those bonds are going to shift back to where they were originally, which will show you the first color. If you've ever gotten one of those color changing cups that businesses like to give out, those are made with Leukodyes. If you have any questions or comments about today's video, holler at us. Our phone number is 231-3770, or you can leave a comment on this video. Better yet, tag us on Instagram and show us what you made. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this, and I cannot wait to see you next time.